There's only one thing I can see you people. From now on, effectively stay. I am no longer connected with your name, Dosipas International whatsoever. Because I know you poor people that you are making the Dosipas only by business, making money. So to say to you that I'm no longer interested for your name, and you cannot go after me because of this diploma, so I will tear this in your prison. I am no longer a member of the Dosipas. I will tearing this diploma.
Not so long.
But, Sir Mario, do you believe Jim Lakayana, he received a 5th Dan black belt from Grandmaster Mungwe? Rondo, do you know Mr. Dax Lakayana?
Yes.
Okay. He is your student?
No.
Flagship is my La Ponte Diabolico International.